Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing this, what is it, like the Foxy feline eye trend, which I have right here for you guys. And if you would like to know how I achieved this eye look, very simple and easy to do, similar to one of my other tutorials, except you know, the inner corner thing. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I am starting off with priming my eye. I am using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. And for the liner today, I am using the L'Oreal Carbon Black Intense Liner. And it is best to use a liner with a sharp tip. Like this one is actually pretty blunt. If you guys could see, it's not an actual point, it's like a square-ish, kind of a round square. You know what I mean. So what I am going to do, my mirror is right down here. I'm going to look directly into the mirror and look at where a shadow is being cast in my eye, and from there we are going to do our line. So I'm looking directly into my mirror, and I am looking at the other eye as well since I do want them to match. And there is my initial line, and from here I do have hooded lids. I don't know if you could see that, like my crease goes all the way like to the bottom. That includes like the front little flappy as well, so I don't know how even my eyes are gonna look, but from there I am going to keep looking straight on into the mirror. Let me try doing it like this so you guys could actually see me a little bit. So looking straight on into my mirror, I'm just going to connect that to the lid, making sure to look at the other eye so that they are as even as possible. And we aren't starting from the very edge of the corner. We do want to go in a little bit, that way we still have that sharp point at the end. Like so. Now I'm just going to fill in this little triangle and see if I do need to adjust the shape a little bit. And when comparing both eyes, I do see that I do need to bring this one up a little bit more, so I am going to do that. And now reconnect the line to my lid. And just fill in anything that needs to be filled in. And you can leave it like this if you would like to. I am going to continue creating, you know, the shape that I want on my eye. So I am just going to do a thin line from the front all the way to the middle where we finished it right here. And now you could just look at both eyes, see if you want to adjust anything. I do believe I have to make like this part here a little bit thicker, so I will be working on that now. And remember, you do want to go slowly and add a little by little, since eyeliner is not the easiest material to work with. And there, I think that is as even as I'm going to attempt to get it. Now, this is the part where I'm saying like you should probably have, it would be best if you did have a nice sharp tipped tool. And we are going to start off by following this line. So we're going to go straight down from here. And we're just going to start off by just doing a line. This eye has more of that little flap, if you could see, than this eye. So crossing my fingers, this turns out well. But I'm just going to try and create this line here. Like so. And now I'm just going to create a triangle back to the lower lash line. And fill that triangle in a little bit. Now that I'm looking at them, they do look a little uneven, so I am going to try to cross my fingers and fix this eye. I believe I just have to make it a little longer, so let's start with that. And as you can see, I'm doing like very short, small strokes. And there, that's it for that. I'm not going to touch it any further. And now I am going to finish concealing my under eye so we could do the under eye together. Now that the rest of our face is done, we're going to finish off the eyes. So I am going to take my bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm going to take that on my Sigma E34 brush. And I'm just going to run that along the bottom lash line. And I do want to mention that I did put some of this bronzer in my crease as well. Since I don't want to close off the under eye with darkness, I am going to go in with the Makeup Forever pencil. This is in the shade 500 Boundless Bisque. I'm just going to apply that to the waterline. For mascara, I'm going in with the Hourglass Caution Mascara, and I am applying that on the top and bottom lashes. And for lashes today, I'm going in with the Lily Lashes in Miami, and I am applying that with the Velour Clear Lash Glue. The more that I'm looking at it, I don't like the white or the bisque or whatever in the waterline because it doesn't make it look as, I guess, like cat eye as I would like. So I will be applying the Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Liner in Jet Black on the waterline right on top of this. Way better, and here is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that. And I do post every Monday at 6:30 p.m. So if you would like to see more videos from me, please tune in next week. And thanks again for watching. Bye.